everybody, this is Nora, and on today's video I am going to try out for you 3 different colors from Aimeili. So here they are right here, the first one being 115, and this one is just a cream pink, but just a very pale pink color. There it is. The second one is a changing temperature, or temperature changing color, so it's a TC04, or they're changing temperature polishes. Start with TC, and this is go from like a magenta purple to a white, and it has chunky glitters in it. And then the last one, TC06, also another color changing polish. It goes from a purple to a white, and it also has the chunky and some micro glitters in there. Beautiful, beautiful polishes. So let's go ahead and put these to the test and see how they perform, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so here they are out of the lamp after I applied 2 coats for each color, and I went ahead and I actually cured these for a full minute under my LED lamp because of the dark colors and the glitters, right? This one I'm sure would have been fine. Now, as far as my opinion on the colors and the formula, obviously the formula, it's a no fail. I really do like Aimeili's formula on their gel polishes. They apply well, they do not run to your cuticle, and yes, I mean, look at this shifting as you can see on these color changing ones. And I will go ahead and dip these in some hot and cold water, so but there's, you see the transition after coming out of the lamp. I will have to say this is not a favorite color of mine. The 115 is a very pale pink. It is I did only do 2 coats here. It looks like it probably would have been better with 3 coats. Colors like these are probably good substitutes of a white. The only time I will use a color like this will be as a base for art. I would not be a fan of wearing a color like that on its own. Formula wise, I will say this particular one, I mean, I was applying it and I went ahead and left it alone, being in a gel, while I was applying the others. I let it settle, and it did better as I was applying it. It felt like it was, I'm not sure if it didn't seem like it was blending well on its own. Anyway, it might just be something with the color. But yes, like I said, it would be okay for maybe art as a background color, but I can't say it's a favorite. Definitely love, love, love the glitter ones. And you have a great distribution of glitters on these 2 color changing polishes. And as you can see, you have chunky glitters on both of these. So let me go ahead and have some fun with some hot and cold water. Here really quick before my nails turn a little cooler and start changing colors. I like this transition. Check it out. It's so pretty. I love that, how that dark purple turns into that pretty blue, and then this magenta pink into that white. Although personally I prefer the color changing polishes that go from one color to the other, that rather than from a color into white. But yes, that's still very pretty. There you guys have it. If you have any questions about these, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. They also have, these are available on Amazon as well as on their own website, so I will have the links down in the description bar below. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.